Welcome back to another model homes by Toll Brothers. This is called the Isabel Floor Plan Traditional. So you can select a farmhouse, Isabel, as well as traditional. The one that I'm going to be touring you is the traditional floor plan. This one is $793,000 as the base price before upgrades. This model home is the upgraded one. So if you would like to build similar homes with this floor plan, you have a choice or chance to collect go to the design center and select the appliances and selection of the color that you'd like to. Toll Brothers right now is giving $30,000 flat cash. You can use it for upgrades, you can use it for closing costs, rate buy down, whatever needed. This community has a little bit more than 250 homes. The property tax rate is super low, is 2%. It's in the Leander School District, one of the best schools district. The HOA here is $90 a month. If you have any further questions about this community, go ahead and DM me separately. We're going to be touring together this Isabel traditional home. It has 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 2-car garage, 2,900 square feet. Let's tour. Here is the Isabel collection. Let's go in. This house in front is designed with stucco and the 8-foot door. Let's go inside. It's a big hallway, modern light fixture, nice hallway with resetting lights and speakers installed since it's model home, and this flooring is beautiful. It is a trendy modern color for 2025 and 2026 so far. On the right, it's kind of similar to the other farmhouse that we've seen earlier. This one has a bedroom and is actually facing at the front as well. This one has a little bit smaller closet. I guess this home is 1,000 square feet smaller than the other home that we toured earlier. This is a guest bathroom. Walk straight in. On the right is the office. This one have built-in speakers. And look at the light fixtures. You can basically select these light fixtures from Design Center room as well. That is the open office. Eventually you can put the double door, one door on both sides. Now it's pretty open because it's a model home. On the left side is actually a mud room. This door is to the garage. This is the mud room, and then this is a laundry room, similar to the other one. Now, heading over here, this is the powder room for guests. This is the closet for coat. Heading, there's a 2-story as well, 2-car garage. Heading here, there is an open floor plan for family room and the kitchen. The kitchen has a built-in vent hood there with cabinets and quart countertops and double oven and a microwave. Really nice. Walk-in pantry is locked too. The light fixture here is pretty contemporary compared to the other farmhouse. This one also has 6 burners and a nice hood that built in to go to the outside. Here is a dining area that you can look out to the patio or to the outdoor amenity of the house. There is your back door. Over here you also have sliding doors. This is the family room or living room. The staircase going up. We will first check out the master bedroom. This particular home doesn't have a fireplace compared to the other one. I kind of like this design. I think it's more like wood. They have built-in cabinets down here which could be used for electric fireplace later on if you would like to install that. In Texas, it's when it gets too hot, people don't tend to use the fireplace. It's just there for display. You know, the traditional fireplace just take a lot of space in the house. So I think putting the electric one is space saving and a little bit modern looking if one decided to do that. Here's the master bedroom. I like that light fixtures. Looks kind of cool. Of course, there's woodwork on the walls here throughout the master bedroom. Let's check out the master bath. Is huge too. It looks like 2 or 3 bedrooms altogether for the space here. There's 2 vanity sinks are on the same side. Private toilet. Huge closet. This is the same closet as the 3,900 square foot house that we toured earlier. This is the walk-in shower with no doors. There's a little window over here. This shower is huge, long. It's actually, you can turn it on over here, then the water come out on the other side of the end. That's pretty much really nice. When it's cold, you can actually start your shower right here first, then wait for the water to get warm, and you walk in there for shower. That is the master bath. Let's go check out the upstairs. All 2 brothers upstairs were upgraded with wood and not carpet, which is kind of nice and nice and clean, easy to clean as well. You don't have to vacuum the stairs if it's carpet. When you come up here, you can look down. You can look down to the living room. You can basically see the whole entire family room and living room down there. From this corner, you can see the dining room or dining area and the kitchen as well. Up here, there's a little area for TV, a little couch, windows, and bookshelf. This is perfect for working from home or doing your homework. If your kids are in school, they can use this as a homework space. Over here is the first upstairs bedroom. It has a full bath in there. First upstairs, like master bedroom. Here is its closet. Let's check out the other bedroom on the other side. Basically, there are privacy between 2 rooms, one on each end. The middle space is a shared area for homework or entertainment. Actually, this house has 3 bedrooms because earlier I mentioned there's 5 bedrooms in this house, even though it's 2,900 square feet. This is the second bedroom upstairs. This second bedroom has a closet. There's no bathroom in here. It will be sharing a bathroom with the third bedroom. Let's go check out the third bedroom. Before we go to the third bedroom, here is the shared bathroom with the standing shower as well. The third bedroom is located on the side. Okay. It's a decent room. It's not too big. It's big enough for a 2 nightstand, a double bed, and a chest here for clothing, and also a walk-in closet. Well, I think we are going down to check out the patio and the outdoor garden. Let's follow me to go outside. It's a beautiful view from the living room to the outside because of the glass sliding doors. I would choose to go through this door to get out to the patio. Here's your patio. It has a fan, lights, speakers, and tile floor. Look at the view. See, this hill country, Leander, has really beautiful view. I personally used to live up in Leander until I moved back to Round Rock, but I love going back here in the future one day. It has beautiful, for landscaping. It has a lot of green trees and it has little creeks and water, etc. So it has a lot of oak trees. Definitely, if you like established neighborhoods with trees, then Leander would be a good place for you to choose to live. And so here is a beautiful, look at that. It's an outdoor kitchen. This is a beautiful outdoor kitchen. And you also have sitting area for barbecue. One can be cooking over here and watch TV and enjoy the sunset in the evening, right? It's beautiful. So I'll just tour you the traditional Isabel home. If you have any questions about building a home with Toll Brothers up in the Leander area, and community is called Wildspring. And so it is very convenient on CO 175, which is the same as Sambats Road. I actually used to live up on 175 and Trail of Oak, which is less than 4 minutes away from here. It's on the same road. But I just love the area. I lived there for 10 years, and I'm coming back here. I'm seeing they open a lot of roads, big roads to get into this community. When you, for example, in the Domain or with Apple on Palmer Lane, to get to Ronald Reagan is very convenient from here. So even though they're making the road right now, it looks a little bit messy, but a year or two from now, it's going to be really nice. Road's going to be widened, and you will get easy access to Ronald Reagan and to the rest of the major road like University or Whitestone, to get to I-35 to 183, direct access from 83 to downtown Austin. So I think I recommend this area is the property tax rate is low, even though, where I live 4 minutes away, the tax rate is 2.6%, but here is only 2% property tax rate, which is reasonable. And HOA here is $90 per month. It is located in a great school district, which is called the Leander ISD. Convenient access to freeways, a lot of shopping in the area. When you get to Palmer or Ronald Reagan, you see there's HEB, there's Costco. If you get onto Waystones, 1431, you can get 10 minutes, it can take you to the Round Rock Outlet Mall, IKEA, movie theaters, a lot of hospitals, and a lot of Asian food and American Mexican food everywhere in Cedar Park, which is your neighbor's city. But if you need to build homes in this area, feel free to contact me. My address is lenavore@gmail.com. Give me a comment or send me an email separately, and I will respond to it. All right, you guys have a beautiful week. Thank you. Bye.